Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming your iPhone model and iOS version. This matters because menu names vary slightly. Once done, back up to iCloud or a Mac to preserve configs. Next, open Settings and go straight to General, then to VPN and Device Management or the VPN entry. You are looking for active or configured VPN profiles. Make sure cellular or Wi-Fi is on so the phone shows connected status. This helps identify active profiles versus inactive ones. You now remove the configuration. Tap the VPN profile to view details and the connection type. If it is a configuration profile, choose Remove Profile or Delete VPN and confirm with your passcode or Face ID. If the VPN was installed via an app, delete the app, then return to Settings to verify the profile is gone. Once done, reboot the iPhone to clear caches and temporary network settings. This ensures no leftover routes or DNS entries persist after deletion. To finish, restart your iPhone and open Settings VPN to confirm no active connections remain. If you still see odd DNS behavior or blocked sites, reset network settings under Settings General Transfer or Reset by choosing Reset Network Settings. Note this clears Wi-Fi passwords. If a profile refused to delete, reinstall the VPN app or profile and then remove it again. This often fixes corrupted profiles. Finally, make sure no MDM or company device management is enforcing the VPN. Contact the administrator if needed.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.